What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to see your NFTs in Phantom Wallet. So, you might be wondering how to exactly see your NFTs or your collectibles here in Phantom Wallet. Well, this one is pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and access your Phantom Wallet. So you can go and download this via the Google Play Store or your browser via extension. But let's go open up Phantom Wallet. Now, in Phantom Wallet, there are a lot of options that you could see in here. So, as you can see, you have your receive, send. We also have the token section. Now, the thing with Phantom Wallet is, as you can see, next to tokens, you have collectibles. Now, with NFTs, they are actually labeled as collectibles. So if you click on collectibles here, that should show you all your collectibles. Now, as of the creation of this video, this is how you access collectibles. But in this case, sometime in the future, they may change this. So you may want to click at the bottom of your screen here and see any icons that is for collectibles. So they might be at the very bottom here sometime in the future. But then again, you can go and click on collectibles here as of right now. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.